Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the Modicon EdgeIO training. I'm your host, Leandro Mala, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can change the network settings on the Modicon EdgeIO in order to integrate it into our system. Okay, so let's go to the software, not yet. So what we're going to do first, I'm going to power cycle this or make a factory reset. Okay, because I've been doing some tests with it. So first I'm going to make the factory reset. So we will need a screwdriver. Okay, I just need to remove the name. And to remove the name. Remove the name. I got it here. So what I'm going to do is in the back bar we have a rotary switch, and the rotary switch what I'm going to do is to put it in the north. I can do it. There, it's facing north. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is to put it back. Wait until the run LED and the MS LED are solid green. That means that the factory reset has been done perfectly. So just need to wait. It takes like 30 seconds, no more than that. And then what we're going to do is to remove it, put the rotary switch back into the standard, so it's not in the factory reset. It has finished. Remove it. Again, back part, and put it into a standard. There we go. It's in the standard position. Now what we're going to do is put it back. I'm going to put the Ethernet cable back. Okay, so the Ethernet cable is back. Now that it's back, we should be able to access to the default settings of the device. Okay, so we should check the 4 last digits of the IP address of the MAC address, so we get the IP address, the default IP address for this device. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is to open the Edge and type 10.10.36.85, I believe it is, because it has the 24 or 2455, which means it's 3685. Which is this one, then enter. If this one doesn't work, then we just need to add the https dot column / advance continue. So the default user is security admin, then 8 A's. Okay, no, I'm going to use administrator 1 asterisk administrator 1 star. This one, change password. So what I'm going to do now is to make the scan and create, so it automatically checks what is named the bus and make the configuration instead of adding manually each of them. So it recognizes most of them except for the dummy module and the passives and this one. Okay, just selection, choose whatever you want to in there. So what is important now is to check the network settings, which is the thing that we need to modify in this video. So on the name, which is a network interface module, here we have the configuration for the IP address. In my case, it's going to be 192.168.0.92, 255, oops, 255.0. This one I'm going to use 192.168.0.1. Okay, so these three parameters are the one that allows you to make the settings, how you're going to connect. Then here you just need to define which is going to be your implicit for the communication. You have not TCP or Ethernet IP. At the moment, I don't care. Okay, but this is the thing that you need to modify. Then if you want to have like a NTP, you need to configure this part. And then if you want to use as on a real network, just use this one as true. Otherwise, just leave it in false and use this as a DO connected to a NOC card or a distributed IO. On the M480, you can do it. And here is the IP address for the USB stick. Now that you get this, it's important to modify also in the island setup this. Okay, you need to make sure what you're using. Okay, this is important for communication with the, for example, with the M251, M262, that you need to enable this part, okay, or disable or whatever you want to do. But in case it asks you for the OPC part, is this, and it will ask you for credentials. Then, if you edit settings here, remember to enable the Ethernet IP and more TCP, depending on the thing you're working with, and also enable or disable the NTP client. Okay, apply changes. Yes, apply. And then what I'm going to do is to try to ping it. Okay, at the moment I haven't changed this because it's just the offline. Even if it connected, it's not the online. So I'm going to download this configuration, new configuration into my NIM. Download, configuration download. Yes, I know, understand that. Unless hopefully I have the connection. Okay, so if I 192.168.0.92, I need to add HTTPS, probably HTTPS. Okay, advanced, and it should be connected to the new device. Okay, just wanted to show you that it's true. To this one. Okay, so it's going to be security admin administrator 1. Login using this version of the firmware. Just to show you how to change the things, guys. It's very straightforward. And here I connected online diagnostics. I have the new configuration here. Okay. So it's very straightforward. Enable the things. It's the same device. Okay. So everything looks fine for the moment. Everything's fine. Okay, so this is how you change the network settings on the NIM, network interface model, on this platform, Modicon EdgeIO. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.